Hello my friends, welcome back to my e-estate video. In today's video, I want to give you my take on the first anniversary of e-estate, and just to let you guys know, it was fantastic, it was epic. But first and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Brandon Stevenson, Mike Hamilton, Carol Peterson, and Anthony Deloach for the incredible work they have done in organizing such an impactful and highly successful first anniversary celebration. Their leadership, vision, and dedication have been truly outstanding. A special thank you goes to Mr. Anthony Deloach for his unwavering commitment to the e-estate community. His passion and consistency have played a significant role in the growth and success of this platform. The first anniversary event was absolutely phenomenal. It provided me with the opportunity to connect with people from all over the world, meet inspiring leaders, engage with individuals who are exploring the possibility of becoming part of the e-estate community. One of the highlights of the event was hearing from the renowned motivational speaker, Dr. Eric Thomas, popularly known as Dr. E.T. The atmosphere in the hall became electric the moment he began speaking about his powerful message. You owe you. I love that word. You owe you. His words inspired and energized everyone in attendance. The event also featured exciting prize giveaways, with attendees winning prizes ranging from $100 to an incredible $12,700 through the money wheel draws. The excitement and enthusiasm throughout the event were unforgettable. This anniversary further reinforced my belief that tokenization represents a new era of wealth creation for those seeking long-term passive income and generational wealth. E-estate is helping to make fractional ownership of tokenized real estate accessible to ordinary people, and we are still in the early stages of what I believe will become a transformative industry. My final takeaway from this anniversary is simple. We have successfully completed our first 12 months, and many more successful years lie ahead. If you have been sitting on the fence about joining e-estate, now is the time to take action. Position yourself in the rapidly growing 16 trillion tokenization market and begin building your portfolio of tokenized real estate. I will conclude with one of my favorite quotes from Dr. Eric Thomas. You will never be successful until you turn your pain into greatness. Thank you all, and here is to many more years of growth, success, and prosperity with e-estate. God bless you all, and don't forget to sign up after watching this video. You need to start building your portfolio of tokenized real estate. Remember, you only need $10 to get started. However, I don't recommend you start with $10 because you are not going to earn as much money that will make impact in your life. So when you join, you should start with something higher than $10. All right? So that's me. Thank you very much, guys. As I said, don't forget to sign up with the link below this video description, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless.